Yes, that's right. It's Pip Grabber time. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, traders, and welcome to the Pip Grabbing Show. We're going to go ahead and take a look and see what's going on in the market this week as we're heading into the Christmas weekend. We'll go ahead and take a look and see what trades are setting up that we can go ahead and grab 20 pips out of the market. That's all. Just 20 pips out of the market. Let's get the show on the road. See you right now. Howdy traders, and welcome to the Pip Grabber Trading Show. My name is Gary Fickard, known as the FxBigDog. And what we do in this show is we look for 20 pips out of the market. We look to grab 20 pips out of the market. Now traders, if you want to go ahead and make sure that you go ahead and smash the like button as you start this session, go ahead and smash the like button. But also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, share the video content out to other traders. We want to get as many people into these trading sessions as possible. Now, with that being said, traders, also if you go ahead and take a look down in the description, you'll see that there is a lot of information about our trade Copier. We've done well. In fact, we've done almost 140% this year alone, and we're well over 17,000 pips, heading to 18,000 pips for the year. So it's been exceptional, great year of trading this year in 2021, and we're looking forward to the same sort of results in 2022. Now, check out the description below. There's a lot of information about the tools we use, the trade Copier, all the good stuff. Check it out below, and make sure you go ahead and sign up. Now, with regards to trades this morning, we go ahead and place some manual trades. So we look at the markets, we address the markets, we look for support and resistance, and then based off support and resistance, we go ahead and enter the market based on those setups. And we do use a cost averaging trading approach when it comes to these type of setups. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's going on this morning. And welcome everyone. Let's go ahead and take a look at the trades. So as we dig into the charts this morning, I'm going to start off with the Aussie Cad. And I always go ahead and look at the 4-hour just to see if we got support or resistance and if there's any opportunity for us to go ahead and trade this. Well, right off the bat, I'm already excited about what I'm seeing here on the Aussie Cad. Notice right here we're looking for price to go ahead and retrace back up. Now we did go ahead and take out the high right here at the top, or at least there it is, one little wick spike up there. So if I look at the downward swings based on this larger picture right here, we notice that the market did create this wave 1. Wave 2, wave 3 down here, and wave 4 up here. And so price did not hit the 5th wave. And we did trade back above that 3rd wave low. And so what I'm expecting right here is, as I look at the market right here, I'm looking to see that we may have a corrective move back down to the support, but then on a long-term upside move up towards the top of the range up here at the top. So we do expect a short-term dip and then a continuation of the rally towards the highs up here at the top. So let me go ahead and make some adjustments to our setups right here. So I'm going to move this this line. I'm going to do some housekeeping here, because as we're looking for price to work its way back down, clearly that's not been the case. And now we have a new target for the bulls right up here at the top. All right, there it is there. I'm going to go ahead and clean up these levels right here. And I'm going to go ahead and look for price to dip back down. So this is what we expect. We're expecting market to go ahead and dip and then to go ahead and rally. So if that's going to be the case, this means that we can go ahead and start thinking about selling Aussie Cad. Let me go ahead and take a look over here. I just want to see something here. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and look to sell. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and dig into a lower time frame right here. And I'm going to look at these swings going up from the lowest point, which means right about here. And I'm going to go ahead and define where the market's going to pull back to. So firstly, number one, we're heading into the Christmas period. We're not going to expect sort of big breakouts. So the markets may be a little bit consolidated as we head into these periods. But I do see a level of divergence here. At least I'm thinking that's what it is. Let me go ahead and double check this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up a level here. I did not see, no, we did not take out that high. So we have possible double tops. This will be the confirmation point. This is where I was looking for divergence. And yes, we do actually have it there. There we go. So there is a level of divergence, double tops right here. We should be seeing price push back down a little further down south. In fact, this would be the target right here. All right. So we're looking for the market to go ahead and take out that low. If I look at the swings going up, wave 1, 2, 3, we had a nice little rising wedge. Actually, this is a leading diagonal. And it went ahead and chased after the next wave, which is the fifth wave up here at the top, formed double tops. We're looking for price to move back down. So we have a lot of evidence of a possible dip on this. Let me go ahead and take a look and see what we've got here. I'm going to go to the 15-minute time frame. The reason I'm going to the 15, I want to see if I'm getting in too late on this. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for swings going down. Here's a swing right here. We did hit the 1.618. We had created a new swing right here. And so I'm looking for, again, I'm just looking for some short-term opportunities here. And again, I'm also looking and saying, I do expect price to continue to work his way back down south, right? But, all right, but we're going to look for a resistance. So here we have a wave 1, 2, 3. Price is up here. Wave 1 is there. So wave 4 should be there. How much pips can I expect price to move back down? Let's see from where it's trading. Oopsie, my bad. Give me 1 second. Let's try that again. So from here down to here, that's 10 pips. That's not a lot. So there's not a lot inside this setup right here. But overall, I'm looking for price to drop back down to there. And that's about 31 pips. Okay, good. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and sell Aussie Aussie Cad. I'm going to go ahead and sell Aussie Cad. And there we are selling. Now, just so that you know, the Pip Grabber Trading Tool that I'm using to enter the market, in the description below, there's details about how to be able to get connected, how to be able to get the Pip Grabber Trading Tool. Also, very important, in the description below, you'll also see that there is a Telegram link. And that Telegram link is going to take you to a Telegram channel where all these trades that we place will be posted there. So you can take a look at exactly what direction we're trading, which currency pair we're trading, and of course, when we get out, and if we add any new positions in as well. So you can follow me, follow along with that Telegram channel and take a look and see all the type of things that we do, all the trades that we take will be put inside the Telegram channel. So check it out. It's completely free. Make sure you go ahead and check that out. It's down below inside the description. Now, next trade. What are we going to do on the next trade? Well, let's go ahead and take a look. I'm going to go to, let's go take a look at New Zealand. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame first. Looks like we're hitting a bit of resistance here at the top, top right here. And if that is where the resistance is at, let me see here. Looks like this is a very similar setup that we had with, go ahead and clean up the charts here. Do some housekeeping. Always do some housekeeping, my friends. Always do some housekeeping. So it looks like we've got a bit of resistance here at the top right here. We are still looking for price to move up to around about the fourth wave right here. But if I look at this, looks like there's even a trend line test here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. All right, so we definitely are at a level of resistance, and all we're looking for is a 20 pip grab. So I'm going to go ahead and sell New Zealand CAD, looking for price to go ahead and dip back down south. So let's go ahead and jump into a New Zealand CAD right here. And New Zealand CAD would be this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and sell. And there we are. So we're now in on the Aussie Cad and the New Zealand Cad, both of them selling, looking for a 20 pip grab out of the market. We'll go ahead and continue to hold on to those positions. Let's go take a look, see what else we got. I'm going to go to Euro US dollar. Euro US dollar right here is a look at the 4 hour. I see we're still holding inside this range. We spoke about that last week. We're actually trading in the middle of the range right here. Let's go ahead and do some housekeeping once again on this chart. And yep, we are range bound, and we're actually in the middle of the range right here. So I'm going to stand aside on the Euro US dollar for right now. Let's take a look at CAD. This is Canadian Swiss. Looks like Canadian Swiss have really moved pretty solid so far. We've really moved up from the bottom right here. Price moved up about 25 pips already on this. We'll go ahead and stand aside on CAD Swiss. Let's go take a look at US dollar CAD. Once again, just doing some housekeeping here. And traders, I've been talking about US dollar CAD sell-off for a while, and I'm still pretty interested in selling US dollar CAD. Let's take a look over here. So the 4 hour, if you look at the 4 hour right here, we do have this downward swing. Price moved back up. We had our third wave target, and we're right here at the first wave low. Look over there. We're trading right here at the third wave. So I'm actually interested in selling US dollar CAD. And even if it's just a pullback down here, I'm going to go ahead and sell US dollar CAD. So US dollar CAD right here, I'm going to go ahead and enter a short. And there you have it. So we have 3 trades that we've now entered. Aussie CAD, New Zealand CAD, and US dollar CAD, all bearish at the moment right now. All right, all bearish at the moment right now, which tells me that there's a possibility that we might see some bearish move in the Canadian dollar itself. And how could that be? Well, we'll have to take a look at US oil and see what US oil is telling us. So let's go take a quick look at US oil and see if US oil is showing any sort of signs that we might see a rally. Because if sorry, did I say sell off in Canadian? Well, what's happening is actually we might see a rally in Canadian dollar. So we're going to go actually take a look at the US oil. Sorry, I think I may have said bearish moving CAD. So let's go take a look over here at US oil. And yes, absolutely, take a look right here. We're already starting to see oil pushing higher. So we're looking for oil, probably go ahead and take out the highs here at about 73.23. And so US oil is on a rally. And so we are going to see some strength in Canadian dollar that's going to go ahead and push all 3, US dollar CAD bearish, New Zealand CAD bearish, and Aussie CAD bearish. Even if it's just 20 pips, that's all we're looking for right here. Well, that's it, traders. That's exactly where we are right now. I want to go ahead and thank everyone for joining the session today. Hopefully, everyone is having a good week as we're heading into the Christmas weekend. Well, we're going to continue to do our sessions this week. Our schedule might be a little bit adjusted just because my schedule is a little bit adjusted this week. So we might not be at 8:30 each day, but we certainly will be out in the next 3 days as we go ahead and review these trades and look for new opportunities. So traders, once again, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, you may want to go ahead and do so. Subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, but also go ahead and share this video with other traders. We'd love to get as many traders as possible inside this trading session. And as we're heading into 2020, we're looking, or at least 2022, we're looking for a great year in 2022. And there's a lot of tools and a lot of ways that you can go ahead and profit from these sessions. So make sure you go ahead and check out the description below. There's a lot of good content below. Social media connections. Make sure you connect to all our social media. And we'll see you guys in the next trading session. This is FxBigDog signing off.